Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to install WooCommerce plugin at 2026. So actually guys, you will need to install it from the WordPress dashboard. So you will need to log into your account on wordpress.com and create one if you haven't already, okay? So after logged in, you will need to go with the left hand menu, scroll with your mouse and click on plugins option. So we are forwarded into the plugins page right now. So what I want you to do is to go with the search engine or search plugins and right there just type WooCommerce. So everybody, that's the option. Just click it and click on download. And after downloading it or installing it, you will need to click on activate. Okay, so actually I already did. That's why you can see the WooCommerce plugin just right there on the dashboard or on left hand menu. Okay, so once you click on activate, you will have it just right here. Yeah, you can be forwarded into a page where you can finish the setup of the plugin WooCommerce, and after you finish that, you will be able to use it just as you can see. So on the setup wizard or the setup phase, you will need to answer some questions like store address, currency, payments method, PayPal, Stripe, COD, etc., shipping options, tax settings, and you can skip the wizard and configure later if you prefer. Okay, so actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.